Welcome to our AI Insight focused on keeping you and your students safe. We know generative AI is changing how we work in the Wollongong Diocese, but knowing how to use it safely can be a little bit tricky. That's why we have the Gen AI Ready Reckoner. It's our visual representation of the Gen AI Guide for Teachers. Think of this as your traffic light system for safety. It moves in a wave from low-risk tasks to high-risk ones. Let's break it down. First up, the blue zone. This is low-risk fundamental use. It's basically AI for you. Admin tasks, summarizing research, or brainstorming ideas. The rule is just basic security. Read over what's there to make sure it makes sense. Next, we move up to the green zone, medium risk. This is intermediate use. At this level, you're creating content for students, like drafting lesson plans, rubrics, or discussion prompts. The AI is the drafter, you are the editor. You must critically analyze everything it produces before it hits the classroom. Then we hit the crest of the wave, the orange zone, and this is high risk. It involves assessment and direct feedback. The rule here is enhanced caution. If you use AI to help evaluate work, you need to scrutinize it heavily to ensure fairness. You must grade the student, not the bot. Now, this next part is critical. Which tools can we use? And we have two different groups. In bucket 1, we have our endorsed tools. These include Gemini, Google for Education, Notebook LM, and some other tools will be added over time. These are all security vetted, and you're permitted to use Wollongong data and student names because the environment is secure and we are paying for enterprise data protection. Bucket 2 are the tools that we must use with extreme caution. These are tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Apple Intelligence. These are great tools, but absolutely no student data, no names, no photos, no copyrighted material. Keep these tools strictly generic. And finally, the red lines. These are the things that we never do. No deepfakes, no uploading student data into non-approved apps, and importantly, never use Gen AI for student counselling. That's always a human job. Ultimately, this comes down to the value that you add as a professional. You know your school, your subject, your students, and their needs. Always apply your professional judgment when using AI. Check for accuracy, check for bias, and keep our data safe. If you're ever unsure, check the AI Ready Reckoner, and don't forget you can reach out to us for help at any time. Thanks very much, and happy teaching.